Hello guys, tanong ko lang sa inyo kung nanonood kayo nung Kalya serye or yung Aldab. Siguro isa kayo sa mga fans or siguro isa kayo sa paborito yung linyang sa tamang panahon ni Lola ni Dora. Tama ba? Well, kung sa love life may tamang panahon, sa business meron din. Okay? By the way, my name is Saipi Sinable and I'm going to share with you one of the lessons na natutunan ko from one of my mentors who is Jim Rohn, okay, who is also one of the greatest business philosophers in America. Alright? So, since si Jim Rohn nasa Amerika, sinabi niya na there are 4 seasons na experience nila doon. So that is, 'di ba, we're familiar of it. That is the season na summer, winter, spring, and fall. Since nasa Pilipinas tayo, gusto ko lang i-translate ito sa season na meron tayo. Alright? So dito sa Pinas, we only have 3 season. That is the wet or rainy season from June to October, the cool and dry season from November to February, and the hot and dry season from March to May. Okay? So, kaya ko to i-share dahil gusto ko i-relate na in any networking business or kung anong business ka meron ngayon, we also experience a different season bago tayo mag-succeed. Same din sa buhay natin or sa love life na lahat na may season din, okay? Lahat naman siguro ng bagay may season. Gaya nga ng sinabi ni Lola ni Dora sa Kalya Serye na sa tamang panahon. Okay? So, may season na down ka, may season na feeling mo wala ka pang resulta or wala kang resulta, may season na parang time na to harvest or ang dami-dami mo ng result. Okay, so, well guys, that is normal na maka-experience ka ng ganoong mga season, but you have to make sure na you keep on planting the seeds. Okay, example, if you're planning to sell watermelon sa summer season, and kung tag-ulan season ngayon, then you have to start planting the watermelon na. Kasi, kung hindi ka mag-start mag-plant ng watermelon sa ngayong season pa lang, ano yung makukuha mo pag summer season na, 'di ba? So wala kang ma-harvest kung hindi mo ipagpapatuloy yung pagpa-plant mo ng seeds. Okay? Gaya ni na Alden at Maine sa kanilang Kalya serye na they keep on nurturing their love. Okay? Even though na malayo sila sa isa't isa, even though ang daming balakid or ang dami nilang kinakaharap na mga challenges, but still they never give up kasi alam nila na may tamang panahon sa kanilang pag-iibigan or pagmamahalan. Okay? So, ganyan din sa business natin guys na we have to keep on planting whatever season kung meron ka ngayon. Just don't give up yet. Alright? At most importantly, you have to believe in yourself. Kailangan may kumpiyansa ka sa sarili mo at kailangan may believe ka sa parang paniniwalaan mo talaga ang sarili mo na magkakaresulta ka. Okay? So, I remember nga nung nag-start pa lang ako sa online business ko, after kong nabili yung first product namin, I really mastered it. And then I applied. So, lumipas ang isang buwan, wala akong resulta. So, akala ko talaga hindi para sa akin yun. But then I waited and pinagpatuloy ko pa rin yung ginagawa ko hanggang sa dumating ang point na yun nga, nagka-result na ako. So, marami na akong Pilipinong natulungan. So, kung nag-stop ako that time na feeling ko walang nangyayari, then siguro wala akong na-harvest ngayon. Okay? So, yun yung point doon. So, that's why you have to keep on planting, don't give up. Okay? And also, one thing na natutunan ko kay Jim Rohn, na we have to keep in mind that sa kung anong season ka meron ngayon, make sure that you don't blame anyone or someone. Okay, sabi nga ni Jim Rohn na we should not blame the economy dahil matagal na yang ganyan, hindi yan magbabago. We should not blame our company kasi ganyan na talaga yung pamamalakad niyan bago ka man dumating. And we should not blame our sponsor or our upline kasi ginagawa naman nila yung best para tulungan or para i-push ka. Okay, so instead of blaming someone or blaming things around you, mag-focus ka in making yourself better. Okay? So don't wait for the things to get easier. Ask yourself to get more skills. And again, don't wait for things to get better. Ask for yourself to get even better. Okay? So naalala ko nga yung first time kong gumawa ng website ko using WordPress. Wala talaga akong kaalam-alam, hindi ako web developer. Wala akong technical skills sa computer kahit na engineering graduate ako. So instead na binlame ko yung platform or yung WordPress na company kung bakit ganun yung design nila sa website nila or sa pag-create ng website, I looked for ways para i-enhance yung skills ko para magawa yung website ko. And then yun nga, as I'm enhancing myself, my skills, I was able to build my own website. Okay? And also, guys, easy lang mag-blame, pero it is just a waste of time and effort sa totoo lang. Alright? So, isipin mo na lang kung magbe-blame ka, ano yung makukuha mo? Magkakaresulta ka ba? Hindi, 'di ba? So, instead of blaming, parang gamitin mo yung effort na yon para mas pagbutihin mo yung sarili mo. Okay? So, ako ngayon nag-online business at naiintindihan ko talaga na yung resulta ko nagde-depend sa action na ginagawa ko. So, that's why every day I always promise myself na maging better ako. So, better than me before or yesterday. So, I promise to enhance myself. I promise to keep on learning every day. Alright? So, nagpa-promise talaga akong lagpasan yung sarili ko. Okay? Kasi yung self mo is your competition talaga, is the real competition. Alright? So, ang question ko ngayon sa inyo is that, ano yung season na meron ka ngayon? At are you playing the blaming game or the blame game? So, guys, don't let these years go by na hindi mo pinapangako sa sarili mo na you will get better every day, okay? Sabi nga ni Jim Rohn, sabi niya na you must take personal responsibility. You cannot change the circumstances, the seasons, or the wind, but you can change yourself. Okay? So, thank you for watching again this video at sana may natutunan ka. At kung nagustuhan mo tong video na to, you can click on the like button. And also, kung gusto mong mag-share or gusto mong i-share yung sagot mo sa question ko kanina, pwede kang mag-comment below at pwede mo ding i-share yung content na ito. Okay? So, again, my name is Hype Sanable and see you on my next videos. Alright? So, I'm praying for your success and for your freedom. Okay? So, have a great life, guys. Bye for now.